I'm Rebecca, board certified nurse practitioner, and I wanted to talk to you a little bit about our signature package at AIYANA. So we have this incredible package that honestly is our best seller in our clinic because it's an all-inclusive one-year treatment plan for our patients. We have patients who come into us and they are just looking for that one package that's going to get them the results that they're looking for. And the results that most people desire to have is where their skin is glowing, they've reduced their fine lines and wrinkles, they've added a little bit of volume back into their face because as we age, and I'll talk about this in a minute, we start having that volume loss, and then also just tightening of the skin. So as we age, we have bone loss, and that bone loss happens all over our body. And as women, we know that because we have a tendency to lose more bone a little bit faster than our male counterparts do. And we're more at risk for osteopenia and osteoporosis, but that bone loss also happens in our face. So as you age, you'll start to notice you start having hollowing around your eyes. That's why you start getting kind of the bags under your eyes, and also the eyebrows or the eyelids that get a little bit more puffy and droopy. And then our jawline starts to thin out. So we get bone loss in this area, we get bone loss around our mouth. So you just kind of start noticing things are changing and shifting. Well, along with the bone loss, we also have our fat pads that are nice and tight when we're young. Well, as we age, they start to spread apart and they start to droop. And then on top of that, we're losing 1% of collagen in our skin every year after the age of 25. So by the time you're 50, you've already lost 25% of your collagen. So a lot of people think, well, I'm gonna go in there and just fill it all up with filler, because if I fill it up, then I'll have my nice tight skin back. Well, what happens is that's what happens. You get what we call filler face, or kind of that plumped up looking face, and that's not ideal. So a lot of times with my patients, I like to focus on the cause, not the symptom. The cause of this is that we're having the bone loss and the fat pad movement, and instead of just filling, and the lack of collagen, so our skin's getting saggier. So instead of filling up that loose skin, I want to focus on tightening the skin and then softening the fine lines and wrinkles, and then just highlighting with filler. That's where our signature package stands above the rest. So what it includes is a full year of our Botox or Dysport treatment. So that's 3 treatments every 4 months. It also includes 2 syringes of filler, and we're gonna place that wherever you need it. And then we also include 2 vials of Sculptra, which this is where we get into our collagen. The Sculptra is a PLLA molecule, and it essentially is injected all over the face into the fibroblasts of the skin so that you're creating collagen. It is the most potent way to create collagen. And once it starts creating, it does take some time because it's your own body's collagen that it's creating. But once it starts creating it, you're gonna have a little bit of volume, you're gonna have smoothed out texture of your skin, the brown spots and red spots are gonna start to dissipate, and then you're gonna start noticing some tightening in your skin. And that's all the Sculptra. And then to top it off, we're also gonna do 3 microneedling treatments, again, focusing on collagen, but also all the areas on the skin that's more superficial. That's where the microneedling is gonna come in and just smooth all of that out, plus tightening your skin as well. And then of course, adding in the ALASTIN daily beauty regimen, because we all need skincare in our lives, and that is the frosting on the cake when it comes to collagen. So I love our signature treatment. Again, it's one of our best sellers, and our patients just love it because it's all inclusive and you're going to get the results. We've had multiple patients that we've seen turn back the clock 10 years easily, and it's incredible. So it's a beautiful treatment plan, and we hope that you consider it. I think you would love it. So again, if you have any questions or comments, go ahead and do so down below, and then be sure to subscribe and like and share this with all your friends. We hope to see you at AIYANA soon.